Okay, so here's the job here, the after, and you can see that the rust stains are still there, but not nearly as bad. That one's been a bugger. Papers look great. I gotta take the dogs out to the vet.
He's hanging out after.
All right, maybe after. So the job was good, and say I gotta take the pups out to the vet, and I really like how the glass in the cement is starting to shine now. That's pretty cool. So before I go ahead, and this here looks really good too. Well, that was dark before, and that's all cleaned up. So the surface cleaner did a really good job, and pretty happy about it. So yay. And then yeah, all good. All right.